Now, what I've got inside this box is pretty cool, and I thought I would share it with you today. Let's get this opened up. And here we go. These are bullet screws, and they are designed to be able to convert any style of boot into quick laces. These are heavy duty and rock solid. Let me show you how they work. Before we go any further, help me jack up that YouTube algorithm and show them that people actually do like random content. You can help out by hitting the subscribe and like button right now. So this is how this works. Super simple. Take one of the bullet screws, unscrew it, insert it into the top eyelet, and screw it back together. There you go. Just that easy. Now repeat the process with at least 4 of the eyelets covered and you're good to go. Now if I was going to do this for a permanent application, I would put blue Loctite on each one of these, but this is just for demonstration purposes. We get 4 of the bullet screws into place and we're done. This is what the finished product looks like. And this is how it works. Quick and easy, and you now have speed laces on your boots. These also have a ton of other applications and they can be used as accents on leather or other craft projects. They can also be used to create unique closures. Truly, you're only limited by your imagination. So that's it. That's the bullet screw quick lace system. If you have any interest in this unique product, I'll leave a link in the description below. Whether used for their intended purpose or if you find a creative design of your own, they are sure to attract attention and start a conversation. Other than that, I'm out. Thanks for watching. Hit me up with some of that thumbs up love, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.